What's happening, everybody? My name's Chris. Thanks for tuning in. We've got some great things for you today. The Coin app has been updated with some new features, some new benefits. We're going to talk about those. Also, we're going to talk about a little bit of criticism that I have for XYO. We're also going to talk about my experience doing the $83 per month upgrade for the Coin GeoHacker bundle. Thanks for tuning in to the XYO show. Let's get started. So the very first thing is we have now in the Coin app, we have these new tiers. So basically you have the Coin Basic, which is exactly what you've been using up to this point. It's free, normal geomining speed, the recharge rate, the big geomines, etc. Coin Plus, which is now available, is $12.95 per month, and it's double all of those other things. Something that isn't available yet is the Coin Pro, which is $24.95 per month, and it has 3 times all of the other things like geomining speed, the refresh rate, etc. Now, I will say, so I signed up for it yesterday, and to be honest, I was kind of expecting it to kick in right away. It didn't up until now, literally just like maybe 30 minutes ago. So I'll show you on my app here. So now when you go into the Coin app, up in this top right corner, you can see that I have a crown instead of just the normal person. So, and then you go in and you can see my plan says Plus, which is great. I did get a little concerned, and so I actually reached out to XYO personally. And you can see here, they messaged me back earlier today. It was actually this morning, and they said it'll take about 1 to 2 days for all of the features to be functional. So my criticism here is the Dataist show just happened, like a week ago, where Scott Scheper said, we're not going to do any of the hype. But here again, they posted it on their website that the Coin Plus was available, and it wasn't ready. So XYO, that's one point of constructive criticism that I would have for you, is stop the hype, especially if you're going to say you're going to stop the hype. Now, with that as well, for all of us Coin users, we have to understand that this is a startup. Not only that, but they did just let a handful of employees go. So we need to look at the bigger picture. If you're going into this expecting to spend $15 and a couple hours of your day and be a millionaire by the end of the week, this probably isn't for you. But if you watch my other video, which I will tag down in the description, basically, is it worth it for you? And geomining alone will bring you the value. As long as the coin holds its value or increases, you're easily going to make that investment back. Plus, you're building something for the future that's going to be extremely valuable for everybody, for the whole Dataist mission to make your data pay you. Very valuable. So we need to get that perspective as well. When bugs happen in these features, don't get upset, don't get discouraged. It's a chance for you to learn how it works and to help the company to build it. This great network and this great opportunity for all of us. Okay, so the second feature that came out is now, for those of you who have multiple Sentinels, especially those with geomining kits, now you can click on this in your account. So I click up on the crown, you'll click up in the top right on the person, and it says Sentinel sharing, earn 10% of others geomining. You click on that, real simple. I'm gonna click add. Now on your XY Sentinel, you're gonna press the button twice. Simple, I click next. Mine is the color white, and you can say who you're giving this to. So for instance, I can say I'm giving it to Johnny. For my purposes, I'm actually just going to write the color in here so that I can remember it. Boom, click done, success. There you go. And now, every time you go back up here to the top right again and click on Sentinel sharing, that will show you how much of rewards you're going to get from the mining that Sentinel has done. So extremely cool feature. So lastly, I wanted to talk about the $83 upgrade that I did through the Coin Plus. I was trying to sign up for the Coin Plus, so I ordered another Sentinel, and I ended up upgrading to this $83 per month package because I want to be able to share with others what it is like and how my experience was. So as you can see here, first off, I went through the process and I signed up for Coin Plus. So I ordered a Sentinel, I paid an extra $12.95 for Coin Plus, and it brought me to this site, which I think we all have to understand that Scott Scheper, his background is in marketing. So this is a little bit gimmicky. It's saying account setup in progress. I was on this page for a considerable amount of time as well. So I know my account wasn't being set up, especially since my email address was already in the Coin app. It's fishy to begin with. So anyway, scrolling down more, there's just a whole bunch of his feature benefit type thing. This is basically his sales pitch. But all in all of the things that it offered in exchange for $83 per month is that I would be sent this Coin GeoHacker bundle after 3 months of geomining. And you can see, here's the list. Basically, my Coin Plus would be free. So I guess you would calculate that into it. You would get a lot of other things too, like some t-shirts, a hat, like the one I'm wearing right here. You'll also get this collectible coin. You'll get a 9-piece geomining kit, which I already have one, but I wanted to get another one anyway. So all in all, this seemed like a pretty good value to me. Now, once again, the reason I got it, aside from the fact that I kind of wanted the stuff, was so that all of you could see what it is before you go out and spend all this money and it ends up being not worth it. I really don't want that. I don't want you to spend all of this money and come back and say, oh, what the heck did I do? I'll give you more updates as it goes along. One last criticism I will say is that, so even though I upgraded to this $83 package, they still charged me that initial $12.95 for my Coin Plus. I've reached out to them. I expect that they'll refund me for that since it is included in the $83 package, but we'll see. So I would say hold off on getting the Coin GeoHacker bundle for now, until we know a little bit more about what's going on, especially since we can see that some of the features have a little bit of wonkiness going on. Sit tight and we'll make sure that you know what you're getting before you get it. One other thing, I hope that y'all are enjoying the content that I'm bringing. One thing that I would ask is that you subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the like button every time you watch one of my videos, because that is how I'm able to bring more content to you, is by more people watching my videos and letting me know that they like them. So please like it, please share it, subscribe to my channel for constant updates, and we'll catch you next time on the XYO Show.